How to merge PDF files on a Samsung phone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to merge multiple PDF files into one file on your Samsung phone for free. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So as you can see here, I have two PDFs, a resume and a certificate on my Samsung phone, and I want to combine them so that it's easier to upload. Now to combine them, I'm going to be using a free tool called PDFGadget.com. And full disclosure, I created this tool because I wanted to be able to recommend something that doesn't require you to upload your PDFs to a server. So all the tools work within the browser on your Samsung phone. Nothing ever leaves your device, so you know it's private. And check the description, I'll have a direct link down there. But once you get to PDFGadget.com, simply select Merge PDFs, and then all you need to do is select PDF files to merge. Once you see this little pop-up, go ahead and select Photos and Video, and then you might see them in the recent files here, but you can select My Files, find the PDFs that you want to merge, and then simply select them. And there's the resume that's added, and then I'm just going to add the certificate now. Now, once you get them added, you can delete them by selecting the trash can if you selected one accidentally. You can also use the arrows to change the order of them. I'm going to put the resume first. Once you're ready, select Merge Files, and then we can select Download, and it'll start downloading that merged PDF where if I open it, I'm just going to open it with Google Drive. You can see that I now have the resume and certificate combined as one PDF. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.